Hello and welcome. On this episode of Abby Normal Garage, we go to the Talcott, West Virginia Volunteer Fire Department Pig Roast and Car Show. There were 46 show vehicles present. We brought the trail horse to this one, and Agent Scully decided to tag along. Seen here on the tractor. The fire department roasted a big old pig. They had plenty of barbecue. The buffet was great. We had a really good time with this one. They had a bouncy house for the kids, and they had a cornhole tournament as well. This event took place at the John Henry Historical Park. This is the site of his legendary battle with the steam drill. So grab you a cold one and sit back and enjoy the show. Hey! Hey, you made the video. You know, it's not every day you see a skeleton driving a jacked up wheel horse. Funny story, the pump in the back of that fire truck has the same exact engine on it as the trail horse. I just think that's funny. For $15, you got your choice of a barbecue sandwich, a burger, or 2 hot dogs, along with baked beans, green beans, a drink, dessert. It was great. Everything was good. This band was so unemotional that they gave us hours of entertainment coming up with different jokes for them. The passion and the pace was just not there. It was kind of funny. Is that a smile from the guy in the back? This shot was both cool and sketchy as heck at the same time. So once you get so far into the tunnel, the drone loses GPS and it goes into attitude mode. Well, it started like drifting side to side. It was at that point that I turned around. I don't know why, but I really do like getting shots like this. Well, that wraps up this episode of Abby Normal Garage. If you like what you see, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with all your friends. We'll catch you on the next episode of Abby Normal Garage.